Hello everyone, so today I'm over back at Ladybower, and this time I'm just heading over Ladybower Dam and I'm going to be heading straight up Win Hill as well. It's a run I've done a few years ago, not been back, but it's a great day, so looking forward to it. So I've just left Win Hill. I'm heading along the ridge and I'll just head down towards Ladybower and then back up and round. But here we've just got a fantastic view of Loose Hill and Mam Tor and Castleton just down in the valley below as well. Great view.